All right, this is a challenging problem. I'm going to give you a missing measurement here. I'm going to solve for the missing measurement, but I'm not going to tell you, or I am going to tell you that you don't have to know how to do this. We haven't covered this. This is not something that you have learned. Let me draw a line right here. We need the height of the end right here. We need the height of this base because it's a triangle, and we're going to need to find the area of this triangle because the surface area of a pyramid is the lateral area plus 2 times the area of the base, right? There's two bases. I have to find those, lateral area as well. The lateral area is the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism itself. So we have we actually could find the perimeter of the base. We have all the numbers we need for that. Perimeter of the base would be 5 plus 4 plus 4. So that's 9, would be 13 times the height, 9.5. And I'll go ahead and do that. 13 times 9.5 is 123.5. So the lateral area is 123.5. But we still need 2 times the area of the base, right? And so we're missing a measurement right there. This is actually something you could do. And now that I'm thinking about it, there is a nice, easy way that you could do this. I don't know that it's a right triangle, but if I drop this down and make a line, I do know that this side is a right triangle. So if I look at that, I've got half of that 5. Well, we know this is 4. We don't know this. But half of that 5 that goes all the way across, just this side of it, would be 2.5. So now we actually could do the Pythagorean theorem, which is something you do know how to do. So let's do that real quick. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. The a and the b are always the two legs. It's next to the right angle. So we have x squared plus 2.5 squared. The c is always the hypotenuse. In this case, it would be 4. Okay, so we have x squared plus 2.5 squared equals 4. Let's see here. So I'm sorry, 4 squared. 4 squared. 16, 2.5 squared. I think it's 6.25, but I'm not sure. Yes, 6.25. So x squared plus 6.25 is 16. 16 minus 6.25 is 9.75. Let's scroll down here. So x squared, 9.75. Take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 9.75 is 3.1224. Okay, it goes on. So I'm going to go 3.12. So that's this number right here, 3.12. That's the height of this end piece right here. So the area of the base, since the base is a triangle, is, let's do this over here, area of the base. Area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So 1/2 times the base, which is 5, right? The height, which we just found right here, is 3.12. So let's do 1/2 times 5 times 3.12, and I get 7.8. So that's the area of the base. So 2 times 7.8. 2 times 7.8 is 15.6. I'm going to skip down to here, 15.6. So now we have the surface area is going to be the lateral area plus the area, 2 times the area of the base, which I have. So let's do 15.6 plus 123.5, and I get 139.1. 139.1 is the area, or is the surface area of this whole thing, and it's yards squared. That is the answer to this next problem, problem number 4. And I hope that was helpful. I know that was a lot of work and I did it quickly, but feel free to rewind me.